Hey, what's going on everyone? Chris back with another video. Today we're going to be going and reviewing the Xiaomi electric shaver. This was provided to me by GearBest, but this review is still going to be my own personal opinion and my experiences. So first, this is an all-metal aluminum body shaver, about 13 millimeters thin. It's claiming accurate shaving, about a 30-day battery life, steel Japanese blades, and charges via USB-C. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed and see what you all get. So you can pick this up on GearBest for about 40 bucks. Now, I do love Xiaomi products, as you may have known from my channel. And first, we get just a quick instructions guide, some tips here, all in Chinese, but you can always use Google Translate, and it just kind of shows you how to shave and use the razor. Next, we have the razor itself and a little sleeve. We'll go ahead and just set that off to the side. And then what else do we got here? We have an instructions manual, which of course is in Chinese. Now I don't know how in regards to getting replacement blades for this. That might be something you may or may not be able to do, especially if it is being Xiaomi. It gives you just instructions on how to clean it, things like that. So what's included in the box, we have a USB-C charging cable. Yes, this is rechargeable and USB-C, and here is a little cleaning brush. So one thing I would have liked to see is the cable being flat, kind of like they have in the past with other products. The cable's been flat, this is round, but USB-C, this is going to make it very convenient to recharge, especially a lot of devices have that type of port nowadays. The device, it's definitely solid, it has some heft to it, and I can definitely say it feels really nice and it looks gorgeous, very professional and premium. Up front we have an engraved Mi type of branding, and then it's all metal and black, matte finish. On the bottom you have USB Type-C with a little charging indicator, and then this little cap comes off. Here the foils, they do, it does move a little bit, and then if you take this off to clean, there's the reciprocating blades that goes back and forth. So easy to maintain, everything is metal, and it is very thin as well. The cap is metal as well, and that way it's going to be very durable. It's very thin and be able to fit into your pocket. The cap has a very nice, satisfying latch clasping type feeling to it when you pull it on and off. There's also going to be a power button up here, up towards the top, which will turn on and off. So let's go ahead and check this out and see how it works. So I've been using this razor for several weeks, and I would say it does a decent job. So first off, I use this every day, usually in the morning or at night. It definitely does not do a perfect job. It does do well enough to where you can get rid of stubble, remove facial hair, but it's not going to be as good of a job as a higher, more expensive razor or using just by hand 5-blade razor with shaving cream. This, I have noticed when using it, it does miss a lot of spots. I have very thick hair on my face and the neck, so I'm not sure if that was the reason why or whatnot, but there is definitely a lot of spots on my face, or especially on my neck, that it missed, and it just would not cut regardless of the direction or how I pulled the skin or anything else. But one thing that I would say is, if you are in a pinch and let's say you're traveling, this would be a good tool to have with you. That way you can at least shave real quick in the bathroom, or if you're on the go, this will definitely do a decent enough job. Now, what I would not recommend this for is if you have a very important interview or something extremely important that you need to make sure that you look 100% sharp and clean. I would not recommend this. But if, let's say, from just day-to-day use, this would be just fine. Now, for 40 bucks, would I recommend this? I would say so, especially if you do not want to shave by hand on a daily basis, if you just want something that's easy to maintain as far as recharging. Battery life is great. I definitely been using it for well over a week and a half, 2 weeks, and it's still going strong. But if you're needing a razor that will make sure that your face is completely shaved and smooth, this is not going to be for you. This is just going to be for day-to-day usability, after about a day, or about 2 days, my face gets coarse. There is some stubble, and I would say this brings it down a little bit, but you can still definitely feel that stubble. It's not 100% smooth. So that's just my experience. Thank you all for watching. If you guys have questions about the Xiaomi electric razor, feel free to comment down below. And I will see you all in the next one, guys.